Hi my people, how on a day? Welcome to another session with Japa Gist with IBK. So today I'll be telling you life in diaspora. Life in diaspora can be very busy, whether you're in China, Hong Kong, Doha, UK, Canada, Europe, Italy, anywhere you are. It can be very busy. And if you're not disciplined enough to be cooking your own kind of food, that will make you not to grow bigger and bigger every day. It's difficult. See me on a busy day. French fries. French fries will be your way of life. Serious way of life. But remember, I say, as you dey eat them, you need to go do workout. Every day. Now your everyday food be this, French fries. You must eat French fries. Another thing before you japa, where you must know now burger. You have to become a burger human being. You just have to become a burger human being. If you're not a burger human being, please don't come. Don't japa. Any kind of burger. As in, for me, there are different flavors. You can prepare your burger yourself, but you will not have time to do anything. So you find yourself munching. You find yourself munching. If not, also go do your hunger will beat you well. So when you're coming to diaspora, get ready to buy food. Also buy snacks. Burger will be your way of life. You need to learn how to eat burger. If you are that kind of person that say, oh, I don't know how to eat burger, I'm not a burger, I'm not a burger kind of person, my day on your own, don't come. Don't come now. Because now burger will be your way of life. Before you get time to cook, get time to go pick your children, get time to do a lot of things, you go find yourself eating burger. And burger sweet, huh? Burger sweet.